Sheesh. He just leveled up. Guys, God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. We are in the middle of nowhere, guys. We're out here in Weatherford, Texas today. Literally from my house to here, it was almost 2 hours. So for those who wonder how far I travel, there you go. But man, this place is beautiful, and you guys are gonna see that probably in the next couple of clips. We got some drone shots. Shout out to Ivan. He's here helping me today as well, and a huge shout out to Lux Auto Detailing, who referred me, or you know, he needed some help with these cars. Today we're doing about 8 cars today, and we're literally on number 5, so we got maybe 3 or 4 more to go and we'll be done. We're done with this one already. Man, this thing is huge. This one is actually a SEMA project. It's actually it was in a SEMA show, I believe, and while Ivan gets some shots all the way around there, guys, check it out. This thing literally like lifts down and lifts up, and literally look, I couldn't even clean this back window. That's how tall it is, guys. But we got it done though. We got it done. I crawled on the roof to clean the top. I crawled all in there, I'm just kidding. I didn't do that. I'm just kidding, because I know the boss is watching. So no, I didn't get on the roof. But while I get my stuff ready, guys, well, I can't get my stuff ready because we already watched this one, so I'd be lying. I was trying to create like an intro. But anyways, enjoy these next few clips of this beautiful ranch. It's so beautiful, and we'll see what we get into. Guys, so follow me real quick. I'm gonna show you what we have done already. We have been very busy. We did this Ram TRX, brand new. We also did this black Denali, and these were all maintenance washes, vacuum, windows wash, wheels and tires. And we went ahead and conditioned all her interior as well. And then check this this F450 dually. Check it out. The gloss on this is insane, guys. So we did a whole interior, and obviously, like I said, conditioned all the interior, and we also did this motorcycle. And whenever, for those who know, I used to ride, and motorcycles are literally gonna be my passion forever. And we went ahead and washed this one as well, and put some we did a quick detailer on there just to protect the paint, and it looked amazing. So we have been very busy here in this building today. So we're gonna go get the other ones, and we'll be back with, I don't know what we have. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. This is all owned by one amazing lady. This is our guide right here for today, Mr. Eli. All right, y'all, next one, we got this Grand Cherokee Supercharged with that red interior. She said don't sleep on her. And then we got this Range Rover we gotta do. Man, we're moving and grooving today, guys. Alrighty, guys, we are finally done. This vehicle, check out the gloss on this color. This one here is actually coated with DPC TMR there. This is the 9-year coating on this one. Man, it's so smooth. But yeah, check the color out, guys. We are finally done. It has been a very busy day. I'm exhausted in my hands, but it was a great day overall, guys. I'm very blessed. Obviously, a huge shout out to the detailer that provided me with some work, and I'm able to help him out. And we ended up total of doing 8 cars today, guys. This is the most cars I think I've done in my whole life. But hey, one of my 22 resolutions was to do more than 1 car, and I got hit with 8. But anyways, again, let me show you guys what is included in this. Well, you know, I did a video on this a couple of days ago. These were all maintenance packages. All right, maintenance packages. So we did that ram, that was 1. We did this beautiful, and all these are coated by the detailer that provided me these cars today. So we did this beast of a truck. We also did this one right here. Next up, we did the ram. This ram right here, it's called the T-Rex, I think. And we did this one right here. And we also did a Range Rover and a Jeep. So that totaled out in 8 cars today, guys. So this was a very busy day. I'm very blessed. And you know, for those who tend to ask, hey Carlos, what do your maintenance washes cost? All these were $150 each one for the maintenance package, guys. God, that thing is so beautiful red. That's a sick color. Looks amazing. But overall, guys, we are done for the day. Let me put this camera back on this tripod really quick. And overall, guys, I just hope you guys had a great day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know maybe I didn't showcase a lot today. Just it was a very hectic, very busy day. But overall, I had fun working with each one of these vehicles. You know, again, a huge shout out to Ivan with R5 for driving all the way out here to help me with these vehicles. And now I just gotta load up and get on my 2-hour drive back home. Anyways, you guys have a great day. God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next video.